Hey yo, what is up, ninjas? Today we're going to talk about something that might actually be even better than Shopify and Amazon FBA. And obviously I know what I'm talking about because I have a Lamborghini, because people always ask me, Kevin, what is the number one way to make money on the internet if you have zero money to start? That's what we are answering today, ninjas. So stay tuned. Every business has pros and cons, but the reason that I've focused on Shopify and Amazon FBA so heavily is because they allow you to create hugely scalable, automated businesses without needing expensive employees and a huge office. So since people ask me every single day, Kevin, what is the best way to make money on the internet? We are going to try to answer that once and for all. We're going to jump quickly into the pros and cons of both Amazon FBA and Shopify, and then we are going to talk about something that might be the best way to make money on the internet right now. First, let's talk about the pros of Amazon FBA. The pros are whether you sell 1 unit a day or 1,000 units a day, Amazon will fulfill all of those units for you. You don't have to go to UPS, you don't have to go to FedEx and try to package and box 1,000 different products and try to fulfill those yourselves. Amazon does that for you with massive fulfillment warehouses, so you never have to worry about scaling to being able to sell hundreds, if not thousands of units every single day. Another amazing part of Amazon FBA is your listings literally become more valuable as time goes on. And what I mean by that is if you start selling a brand new product on Amazon and you start to build reviews, real reviews from real people over time, as you start to build more and more reviews as time passes, it becomes harder and harder for new sellers to come in and compete with you because you already have those reviews and it's a competitive barrier to entry. Another pro of Amazon FBA is that it's less saturated than some other options like Shopify, for example, because it does require capital to get started, which depending on how you look at it is either a pro or con, and we're going to talk about that during the con section as well in just a few seconds. And last but not least, Amazon is not going anywhere. Amazon literally just passed 1 trillion with a T in market cap for their stock, and Jeff Bezos is by far the richest person on the world. Amazon is expanding into new countries and new markets every single day, so Amazon is not going to disappear or go anywhere for a very, very long time. And of course, I have thousands and thousands of student success stories to prove that Amazon is an incredible option to be able to make money on the internet. So now let's get into the cons of selling on Amazon FBA. Depending on how you look at it, one of the biggest ones is yes, it does take money to get started. I generally recommend, and a lot of other gurus and a lot of other YouTubers out there might tell you something differently, but I've had thousands and thousands of students join my program, and I know for a fact that the actual amount of money it takes to get started with Amazon is generally around $3,000 US. Some people might tell you a lot less, but they are lying to you, right? I have absolutely no reason to lie to you when I tell that. I do have an Amazon FBA course. Why would I try to tell you that it takes more to get started than it actually does? That just doesn't make sense. Just a realistic estimate for cost of goods sold and shipping and getting your product photos and all of the things that you need to do to get ready to create a successful Amazon product, it generally takes about $3,000 US. Yes, it could be a little bit less, but that's a realistic estimate. So if YouTubers or people out there are telling you that you can get started on Amazon FBA with $100 or $500, they are straight up lying to you. So is Amazon FBA a good option? Absolutely. But is it the best option to make money on the internet with very little money to start? Well, we will find that out. But first, let's get into the pros of Shopify. One of the biggest pros of Shopify is that e-commerce is going nowhere, right? It gets bigger and bigger and bigger every single year. And another one of the biggest pros of Shopify is the fact that you can start making money with Shopify if you choose the right products literally within a couple of days or even the same day if you know what you're doing. You can build a store very quickly. You can launch a product. You can launch the Facebook ads very quickly, all within the same day, and you can actually start making money today. But with that comes some cons as well, right? Because of the fact that you can make money very quickly with Shopify if you know what you're doing, right? That brings in thousands and thousands of other people who are also trying to start Shopify at the exact same time, which makes it much more saturated than other options like Amazon FBA, for example, that does require some upfront capital to actually get started. One of the other cons of Shopify is the fact that it does take some money to get started. Yes, you can dropship products from China to your USA store, to your USA customers with no upfront money to invest in inventory, but people that are talking about the fact that Shopify takes zero money to get started are not telling you the whole truth. Because to sell products on Shopify, right, unless you're Kylie Jenner and you have multiple millions of people following you on your social media, to actually be able to get sales on Shopify, you have to run traffic to it. And the way that you do that is by paying for ads on Facebook and by paying for ads on Instagram, right? So you do need some money money to get started on Shopify for the actual marketing budgets that you're using to get people to your store to actually make purchases. So taking all that into mind, is Shopify still a good option? Absolutely. Do I have hundreds and thousands of students in my course making a bunch of money with Shopify? Absolutely. But is it the best option to make money on the internet right now? Well, you're about to find out. So this video is about how to start making money as soon as you possibly can with zero money up front in the most profitable way. Because at the end of the day, we only care about one thing, which is making money with as little money to start as humanly possible in a way that's automated and scalable so that you can build your business larger and larger and larger without needing an office or expensive employees. And the best way to start a hugely profitable business with zero money up front right now on the internet is coming up in 30 seconds, but really quickly, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to our giveaway winners here, and here. We're giving away hundreds of dollars of cash every single day, thousands of dollars of prizes every single day, and all you have to do to enter is two quick things. Shoot me a message on Facebook Messenger right now, and make sure you tap that little subscribe button with the little notification bells right here, and that's it, guys. You are 100% entered to win, and we're going to choose some people off of Facebook Messenger, and we're going to choose some people who recently subscribed on YouTube. Make sure you have the little notification bell on so you can be notified if you are our next big winner. So the number one way to make money on the internet right now with no money to start is what I like to call a Facebook ad agency. Just in the last few months alone, I've had a ton of friends and students who've made hundreds of thousands of dollars starting their own Facebook ad agency because every business in the world needs marketing, right? Not every business in the world needs Amazon. Not every business in the world needs Shopify, but any large business needs customers, right? They need marketing. They need to get the word out there about their services, about their products, right? And Facebook ads allow you to reach people in a way that has never been available before. So let's break down why this opportunity is so special. One of the things that's so special about a Facebook ad agency is that everyone and their mother is talking about Shopify and talking about Amazon FBA right now, right? Because of that, it makes those two opportunities more saturated. Are they too saturated? Is it impossible to make money with Amazon and Shopify? Absolutely not. But sometimes the best way to make money on the internet is finding that dark horse, right? Finding that opportunity that nobody else is talking about, finding that one opportunity that's not on the main headlines of e-commerce, right? Of the best ways to make money on the internet, finding that opportunity that no one else is talking about. And one of the best parts about a Facebook ad agency is you can literally get started today, right? There's no wait time. The worst part about all the other ways to make money on the internet is that it takes time to build this stuff. It takes time to find products to sell, right? Do product research. It takes time to build a Shopify store. It takes time for things to ship from China. It takes time, to get your products made for Amazon. But with a Facebook ad agency, right, there's literally no wait time. If you have the knowledge up here about how to properly run Facebook ads the right way for businesses and get them leads, get them new customers, get them, new profitable paying customers, you can literally get started running ads today. Those ads could be approved today. You could start getting new customers for your clients today. And the best part about a Facebook ad agency is you are getting paid monthly by your clients, right? When I was just starting my very first month starting with a Facebook ad agency, my clients, the businesses that were paying me to run ads for them were paying me $1,000 a month, right? And that was not $1,000 revenue. That was $1,000 profit. The only input from my perspective was time, right? I didn't have to buy any products. I didn't have any inventory costs. I didn't have any office costs, right? I didn't have any overhead of any kind except for my time. And the best part about starting a business with no money up front, right, is most of us when we're first starting have a lot of time, but we just don't have that much money to invest. And the beautiful part about a Facebook ad agency is you don't need any money to invest. All you need is what's up here. And you might be thinking to yourself, everyone knows about Facebook ads. I can't tell you how far that is from the truth. Every single day we talk to new businesses, new local businesses, new large businesses that have no idea what they are doing. I cannot tell you guys, I cannot stress that enough, that businesses have no idea what they're doing when it comes to advertising. Businesses are dumping money into newspaper ads, radio ads, billboards, right? All these types of advertising methods that just waste money. You show it to 100,000 people, 99,800 of those people, or 99,900 of those people are not interested in what that billboard has to say, right? With Facebook ads, every single person that sees your ad, if you're doing it right, is interested in what you have to say, right? Is interested in buying that product or service from you. And that is the key, guys. Every single dollar of your ad spend is actually spent showing an advertisement to someone who is interested in what you have to sell. And for brand new Facebook ad agencies, right, even when I was just getting started, I was making $1,000 per month per client. And what that means, guys, is if you just get 4 people to say yes, right? A lot of us have dentists, a lot of us have doctors, a lot of us have, chiropractors or things that we go to every single day, right? Those are local businesses, guys. They need advertisements. They need marketing. They need to bring new customers to their business. If you get just 4 people to say yes to you, you're all of a sudden making $50,000 US per year profit. So if you want to learn more about starting your own Facebook ad agency, we have 2 completely free resources for you guys. In the description, we have a little link to join the biggest Facebook ads community anywhere in the world, which is one of the best ways to learn about Facebook ads completely for free. And we also have a completely free training that I'm putting on today where I break down exactly how I was able to earn $20,000 my very first month creating a Facebook ad agency. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can get your first client within 24 hours. So like always, guys, don't be the 99% of people who just close this video and don't take any action. Be the 1% of people who joins our completely free training on how you can get your first Facebook ad agency client within 24 hours so you can start down your path to becoming financially free. So like always, guys, happy hustling, and we'll see you on the next one.